Hello friends, get ready to create some magic. In today's tutorial, we are making this stunning beaded bead in a very unique way which will drive away the confusion that almost all beginners face while making it following the most commonly used method. Using beautiful pearlized rice beads and touches of color with the 3 pearls, this design creates a unique woven sphere that serves as a perfect pendant for a necklace, a charm for a bracelet, or even a fancy zipper pull. So grab your supplies, pause when you need to, and let's get beading. But before we start, I have a request. Click the subscribe button for more beading inspirations. Start with 3 rice pearls and now tie a couple of knots. Go through one pearl and now pick 2 rice pearls and go through this one bead. Go through the next bead. Again pick 2 beads and go through this one bead. You can call this a triangle stitch. Go through the next bead. Again pick 2 beads and go through this one bead. Again we are adding 2 beads. You can see how small triangles are forming. I am sure you have done this stitch before, but you have never made a beaded ball by using this stitch. This is the most simplest method and you will not be confused at all from where to come, where to add. It is the most simplest and the easiest way of making a beaded ball. I have made 9 units. And now it's time to join both ends. So go through this bead on the other side. Pick one bead and go through this bead to complete the triangle. This is the 10th triangle. So all around we have 10 units. Go through this triangle once again. And now exit from this pearl. The straight pearl on the side. Pick 2 beads and go through this bead. Pick one 3 and go straight into the next straight bead. Now pick one bead, go through one bead of the previous unit and the next straight bead. So here we have formed the next triangle. Again pick one 3 mm and go straight into the next bead. Pick one bead and go through this one bead of the previous unit and through this straight bead. Add one 3 mm over here. Again take one bead and go through in the same way through the two beads. Add one 3 mm over here. And now you don't have to add any bead, just go through the first bead and this last bead that we have added. I have added 5 rice beads to create this dome-like structure. And now add one 3 mm over here, going straight. This side is almost done. We have to add one 3 mm in the center. So go up like this. Add a 3 mm and go through to the other side. This side of the beaded bead is done. Now make your way to the other side. Go through the straight bead on this side. And now you have to repeat what we have just done. One dome is made and create the other dome on these 5 beads. I have completed, and now I have to add the 3 mm in the center, and my beaded bead is ready. See how easy it is, no confusion. Have you seen this method before? Do let me know in the comment section. And now I am going through some beads and then I will secure with a couple of knots. When I first started beading and I tried to make this beaded bead, I was so confused. I didn't know where my next unit will begin and how many beads I have to add. It was really very confusing. And then I came up with this method. It was so easy to understand, no confusion at all. Now that you know how to make this beaded bead, I encourage you to experiment with different sizes, colors, and types of beads to truly make the design your own. Thank you so much for beading along with me today. I hope you enjoyed learning this beautiful technique. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more tutorials, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss a thing. Until next time, happy beading. Bye bye and take care.